Hi entrees, we're gonna make chicken kebabs two ways. So I made a Korean barbecue and it's got like soy sauce and other ingredients, and then there was the juice left, so I reduced it in a pan and this is what we got. So this is a Korean barbecue sauce. So in here I cut up my chicken, we have mushrooms, zucchini, capsicums and onions. Gonna mix it together. Put a grab wrap on and we're just going to set it to a side for about 30 minutes or a couple hours or overnight if you like. This one's going to be a satay one, easy as. So in here, same thing, chicken, zucchini, capsicums and onions and mushrooms. Satay consists of 2 ingredients, soy sauce and peanut butter. Well, this is how I'm going to do it. So put half a cup in, then it's going to add good old dollop, 2 dollops of peanut butter. We're gonna heat this up in the microwave. I've got it on for a minute, but I'm gonna watch it, and that's just to put in the microwave to melt the peanut butter. I'm just gonna add one more, and then I'm gonna blitz it up. So I've just blitzed this up, so it's turned into like a soy peanut butter paste. Now satay is quite light. I just added a little bit more soy sauce than needed, but it's fine. You can just have like a cup of peanut butter or half a cup of peanut butter and maybe 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix it together. Ooh. Glad wrap like so, and then we're just gonna set it aside for at least a half an hour to however long you want to marinate the chicken and vegetables. I still have some left over. Like I said, if you want it lighter, have like a half cup of peanut butter or a cup of peanut butter and maybe a couple of spoons of soy sauce. I've done it before and it came out light, like as a lot of people know it to be, but satay is like peanut butter, soy sauce or fish sauce and some like chili paste. Cool. We're going to do our kebabs. These are my metal barbecue kebabs that I got with my smoker a couple of years ago. Put your vegetables, slide them on, put as much as you want. So these are quite thin. I didn't realise, but these were actually my chicken schnitzelets. So we're going to braid them on like that. This is our satay, this is what it looks like. I do want them to be length apart, and I'm cooking these in the oven too, by the way. That's all my skewers done. Added some oil to the bottom of the tray. I've turned on my grill, so I'm going to grill them. So I'll give like that char, and then I'll finish cooking it in the oven. Just gonna cut up some potatoes to make some wedges. I was gonna make potato salad, but we have lettuce. So I think we can have a fresh salad with potatoes and kebabs. This was actually supposed to be one of my son's lunch, but you know what? We slept in. Homeschool my son, it's his last day of school for term 2 and I'm so excited to have a break. And I'm sure my son will love it just as much as mummy does. Potatoes cut, I'm doing these in the air fryer too. So these will take about 25 minutes. Olive oil. I would recommend washing them to get the starch off, but kind of in a rush and you know me. If you know, I don't care. Chicken stock, chicken bouillon, lemon pepper, and garlic powder. Toss. I'm just going to put a little bit of salt. I'm going to stick them in the air fryer, bake at 200 for about 20-25 minutes. This is what they look like underneath the grill. I'm now going to put them in the oven to finish cooking. Going to make a quick salad to go with our kebabs and wedges. Lettuce. tomatoes. Cucumbers. Homemade croutons. Cashew nuts. Dried cranberries. Salt. Olive oil. And toss. That is our salad, our wedges, salad, our kebabs. On my salad I'm gonna have ranch. This is really good ranch. Dinner served, cranberry and cashew salad with homemade lemon pepper wedges and satay and Korean barbecue skewers.